Time to reupholster. First, I need my tools. I have a pliers and this little prong tool to help remove staples. I use the prong tool to pull up those staples, and I took off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 layers on this chair. Yeah, 5 layers. Then I cut out some new foam so it's comfortable to sit on, grab my stapler, and start putting on my fabric. I gotta cut out my fabric first and then just staple it down. How do I do the corners on this chair? Well, there's no secret to it. I just kind of bunch it up, staple it down, and it looks pretty good from the front. Underneath, it looks like a hot mess. Isn't she beautiful?